I want to show you real quickly how I tied this. Okay, so here it is untied. This side is the nose and the tail. Alright, so what you're going to do is fold it. So these are the two back legs. This is the tail. Cross it over, pull it through. So that's the back end. You got these two legs. Fold them together. Cross it over. You want to stick the nose end in all 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. There, okay, yeah, there we go. So now we've got this. These are the ears. Fold them, cross over, go through, and then twist it. And there you go. Now you have your very own balloon dog.